got another package in. Smell time! Still don't know where my cutting board is. We'll figure it out. Can't be too far, unless I accidentally threw it out. Either way, let's see what we got today.
I got me some.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Alright, so I ended up picking up 2 Goku Rock and 2 Wonder Grape Bottlemen. Pretty much for playing against people if they want to come over. You know, just like even the playing fields. Each person gets whichever one they want to choose. Pretty much have 2 of each, just so I can play it that way. And then just some caps, only just because I wanna have a stock full of caps, I guess. Yeah. And most importantly, Beyblade. I got 2 packs of the latest Random Volume 24, and I'll probably get more soon. But yeah, let's crack these open while we're here, just to see what I got. Let's see what these feel a little heavy, chunky.
Just slip them up. They feel different, so you can't maybe get a seam of anything.
Oh, this has a bunch of pieces. Oh, and ooh, this one is vacuum sealed. It's the Phoenix. Very nice. Disc-wise, it comes with a 4, which I'm not going to open because we have 4s. I'll pull one up later for you guys. See? But overall, this is what we get. This is the thing why we get the new metal defense. Ooh, this feels very tight. But also a nice gold Phoenix. Yeah, I have my regular perfect Phoenix. Oh, this is actually the piece that comes with the last set. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Alright. So that is that one. Also, this is it on the regular things. It's pretty good. That's just a 4-disc. Okay, what did we get? Let's see. I'm not too sure what this one is. It's sealed also. It feels different. It looks different. What could it be? Oh, staring at nothing for too long. It's 3 pieces. Let's take a wild guess. 3 pieces, no frame. I can't really take a wild guess. Maybe it's Dragon. I'm gonna say it's Dragon. That would be great. And it is. It is. Oh, very sick. Imperial Dragon. Yeah, I heard they this is pulling out a random driver, and they fixed the issues with the bursting, so it's prone to less bursting. I'm gonna have to awaken this sweet baby, but yeah, that's what I got today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah.